Hey buddies, Drew65 here, and here's another repair we have for Dontae. This is his silver Roboqaud. With Rex, it might be postponed for now due to the fact that it's having a little bit more issue other than gears. I couldn't get the thing to power on other than like for only 3 seconds, so I'm just gonna sit down for last. So with this quad, at first test, before I recorded anything, it didn't want to power on too much, but I discovered it was my batteries. So he has better batteries now, and here are his issues. All his gears are pretty much split in for the legs, and his head looks up a little too much, which is a position sensor or a potentiometer issue. But here's his demo. As you can see, his head does not want to look down at all. Let's see if he can walk. As you can see, this robot is in maximum pain. See. Okay, now it went down that time. Oh, yep, there you go. All the gears gave out. Let's see, will he do it again? So occasionally his head will move forward, and of course his legs are just like dead. So for anyone wondering as well with the V2s, I'm waiting for a few other bits of supplies to arrive so I can start on them. So for anyone who has a V2 here waiting to be fixed, do not worry, it's still in safe hands. I'm just waiting for more supplies. Anyways, thank you all for watching, stay tuned, and I'll see you all in the next video.